Bluestone's vision is to bring together the best people, partners and technology to create outstanding home loan experiences. And this engagement really has been all of the above. I think the biggest change is that businesses actually need to be prepared and ready to change themselves. We've seen a number of events which have meant that businesses have needed to pivot and change strategy rapidly, and being prepared and ready to do that has been or is the most important thing.
Bluestone was working off a legacy product which was brought into Bluestone's world about 20 odd years ago. It was highly customized, it was highly unstable, and it lacked certain data integrity that we really needed to support our growth strategy. And to do that, we really needed to do a full system overhaul and transformation, which supported interconnectivity.
We look at generating quick value and learning from feedback through vertical slices of transformation that are delivered in a very rapid succession.
We look to then leverage some of the existing decisions on new services that they're bringing in and new assets that they wanted to leverage. Where we saw that there was integrations or development required, we made sure we kept with simple solutions with a low footprint computing and providing automated pipelines so that the software could be built easily and can be maintained just as easily as well.
We included not just the Bluestone technical people, but also the operations people and end users of the system right from day one. They are involved in our inception, they're involved in our showcases. That way of working together really built a sustainable way of working for Bluestone that they can continue to do without requiring our assistance anymore.
They really brought in a strong framework, strong governance. They were hugely collaborative and also very transparent.
Being accepting and willing of change has meant that we've been very able to embrace the magnitude of change which has happened since the engagement with Thoughtworks.
I wouldn't see them as a technology team, I would see them as a business solutions team, making sure that where we introduce a new tool, that we understand how that tool is going to operate. And particularly for me, we make sure that we're still compliant. And so they made sure that the business were taking on the journey, the business were the ones driving the outcomes, so that when you have the final product that was delivered and the final system, everybody was happy with what they got in the end.
These new methods will enable them to look after the platform themselves first and foremost, but also to be able to be more agile, to enable their business agility so that they are now self-sufficient.
Since implementing the platform, we've really been able to not have technology be a limiting factor in what we do, but for technology to actually drive some of the great outcomes that we're achieving. Ultimately, that translates to a better experience for our customers, an environment where we can deliver great outcomes for anyone who interacts with Bluestone, be it staff, be it customers, and be it other partners.